Doing guys.
In the Loda.
It's
In the Saga is going in the Loda.
Hello guys.
Mama.
We're going for a grocery. Quick grocery.
We're not going in the glove. We're going in the Loda.
It's husband's day off. So, we're going.
Loda.
What do you want to do to the Roda?
To play.
To play.
Yeah.
What to play?
Again.
Where is Marco?
Papa will follow back.
Today is maaraw guys. I mean cloudy pero umaaraw. So we're going to one of the big grocery stores here. It's around 5 minutes walk for us.
We're going in the Loda, Mama.
Yes, we're going to Roda. Ito may batang
Do you
madaldal.
like a princess?
Mukha na naman daw akong princess. Ay, itong anak ko, love na love ako guys. Ayan. Nauna na yung dalawa kong boys. Isa kaming bit-bit. Hindi siya malamig, sakto lang. Temp today maybe around 13 or 14 degrees. So, ano siya, friendly ang weather natin today. Actually, this week, warm weather as. Hindi mababa, hindi rin mataas. Sakto lang. Ito pala yung sementeryo dito sa town namin, guys. Malinis yung sementeryo nila. Yan. Quick. Here na nga, guys. Dito na kami sa supermarket. The name is Roda. What's the name?
Loda.
Uzuri malo kay this is highway. Sabi to, you will fall down. Highway yan guys, papuntang big cities. I don't Nimoy, don't play the phone ako dito. Nimoy ba? Yan, we're here in Roda. Ito yung i-ground it sa playground, indoor playground during their birthday. Dito lang din yun. So, they have a new open here. Like pharmacy. Pharmacy, they call it apoteka. And we're here. So, here we go. Tingin tayo anong mga naka-sale, anong something new. Check pula ako, bre. So, dito na nga as guys, may sarili akong card. Yung tatlo lang sa pasta. Okay, strawberries. Going. You finish? Go to the grocery?
No, we went to Loda. We went home and we go back to our house. Here. Mom, this time.
What's it? Thank you for watching, guys. Come on, say thank you for. Say, come on, thank you
Thank you,
for.